गायब का परमाणु।
Hello friends, me and Alexi and my friend Prachi, we are going to tell you that how to make connection for PN junction diode for forward biasing. So as you can see, this is a PN junction apparatus. Here we will arrange the voltmeter and we will get the readings of ammeter. Fine, as you can see, the readings of voltmeter, the range over here is 0 to 1.5 and the range of ammeter is 0 to 10. Fine. So for forward biasing, basically we will see the circuit diagram over here. For forward biasing, we will connect the P type to the positive of the battery and N type to the negative of the battery. Now my friend Prachi will tell you that how to calculate the least count. Okay, now I am going to tell you that how to calculate the least count. So as you can see over here, the range of voltmeter is from 0 to 1.5. If you see from 0 to 0.25, there are 10 divisions over here. Range of voltmeter is 0 to 2.5. So we will calculate least count for voltmeter. Now there are 10 divisions over here, so we will divide 0.25 to 10 and we will get the least count over here for voltmeter. Okay, in the same way we will calculate the least count. This is a least count, fine. So if when we will take the readings over here, then we will arrange the voltage and we will get the readings of ammeter over here. Now I am going to tell you the connection for PN junction diode. So I will tell you again. Remove all these. Remove this. Now we will do the connection. For connection, firstly we will connect the positive terminal of the voltmeter to the negative terminal of the battery.
Positive to positive.
Positive. Start the connection. For starting the connection, we will connect the positive terminal of the voltmeter to the positive terminal of the battery. Then the negative terminal of the voltmeter to the negative terminal of the battery. Now we want the connection for forward biasing. So we will connect this positive terminal to the negative terminal of the microampere ammeter. Then we will connect this positive to positive and negative to negative. As I told you earlier that for forward biasing we will connect the positive terminal P type to the we will connect the P type to the positive and N type to the negative. So we can see over here that we are connecting the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. This is the connection for the PN junction diode or for forward biasing. Now we will check that our connection is right or wrong. So we will on this. So as you can see, when we are see this, we are setting the readings for voltmeter, and here we can see we will get the readings for ammeter. Now I'll tell you how to find the least count for ammeter. You can see the range of ammeter is from 0 to 10. Range is from 0 to 10, and you can see over here also there are 10 divisions from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. In each period there are 10 divisions. So for 0 to 2, we will divide 2 by This way we will calculate the least count for emitter. Now, if we are finding the readings, because I said you that we will arrange the voltage and we will get the readings of emitter. Fine. So, for example, you are setting voltmeter to 0.25. So, for first reading, you will multiply 0.25 to the least count of the voltmeter, that is 0.025 that we have calculated over here. Fine. So this you will multiply this and you will get your first reading for voltage. And when you have arranged this, you can see the voltmeter point is over here at 0.25 and the emitter is over here. The division is 1, 2 and 3. What's the reading? Emitter, as we can count, the blocks are here 1 and 2. Now for this was so good and this was so good. Now we will multiply. Here are 2 blocks. We will multiply with this, with the least count of the emitter, that is 0. And we will get the first reading for emitter. This way you will set the readings for voltmeter and you will get the readings in emitter. Make sure that whenever you are setting the readings for voltmeter, at each setting you will multiply with the least count and then you will write over here. And when you will set the voltage, then at the same time you will see in emitter that this point is on which block. That block number will you divide with the least count and you will get the reading for the emitter. This how you can get the set. You can set the voltage and you can get the readings for the emitter. So this was the connection for the forward biasing. I hope that you understand from this video, and thank you.